Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video resume. My name is Shuanur Rahman from Mymensingh. My father name is Marfat Ali. He is a farmer. And my mother name is Mojida Khatun. She is a housewife. I have one elder brother and one elder sister. I have completed my SSC Gurupur RK Govt High School. My SSC GPA 4.96 out of 5. I have completed my diploma Sylhet Polytechnic Institute, Department of Civil Engineering. My diploma CGPA 3.16 out of 4. Now I am a student of Daffodil International University, Department of Civil Engineering. Daffodil International University, one of the best university in Bangladesh, because it provides advanced and smart education system. I can speak 2 languages. First of all, my mother language Bangla, and second international language English. I have some basic skills. I am expert on Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. My career objective to become a civil engineering. So I am also expert on AutoCAD software. I have 1 year's experience in site engineer in PWD. I have completed 2 free basic course under Daffodil International University. First of all, Introduction to Color, and second, Class Opener and Roping Toolkit. My hobby is gardening. I play cricket and my favorite cricket player Shoaib Afridi. I am also love football. My favorite football player Ronaldo. Thank you watching to my video resume.